Well, hello, Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you a brand new charity layout pack. With this charity layout pack, you'll be able to impact the world in style. The versatile design and page layouts are perfect for charity organizations and nonprofits. Each page is beautifully structured to tell your story, feature your causes, your programs, and invite users to donate. So go ahead and take it for a spin. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Once done, you will have access to all of the pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder. At this point, you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. To do that, you'll start by adding a new page. So go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and deploy the Visual Builder. You'll want to select the Choose a Pre-made Layout option. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down until you see the Charity Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see all of the different pages included in the pack. And go ahead and select the one that you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And now you're ready to continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding layouts. And once you're done, it would be a good idea to go ahead and create a primary menu for your website. To do that, you'll want to go to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click the Create Menu button. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the pages that you have created with their corresponding layouts. Go ahead and select all of them and then click to add them to your menu. In the menu structure area, you can go ahead and reorganize your menu items how you like. And then don't forget to select your display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once that's done, for a last kind of final step, you'll want to go ahead and create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. And then under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page and then select the homepage that you created with the corresponding homepage layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Charity Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future free layout packs we'll be throwing your way. And don't forget to check out our next one, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.